So you're in Vietnam and planning on going to Sapa. Well guys, we're in Cat Village today and doing some pretty cool stuff. So stick around and find out what you can do in Sapa in 24 hours. Just had my cup of coffee. I think I'm finally ready for the day. And actually, when I say I just had my cup of coffee, I mean, I just had 2 cups of coffee. And Daniel may have had one as well. And I may have more in like 30 minutes. But since we're all finished up, getting caffeinated, we're gonna get on the scooter and start showing you pretty things. Starting now.
So if you guys watched the first day we arrived in Sapa, you would have seen that we ended up running into like a lot of kids that were begging with other babies strapped to their back.
Like we're talking like 4- and 5-year-olds with infants attached to their backs.
Yeah, and
for hours.
Dude, it's crazy. And we were literally just getting coffee and we were like, what are they doing? And we watched the moms strap the babies to the back.
Take the shoes off their kids to make them walk barefoot.
And let's go see what the moms are doing now. Oh, that guy's turning. So I'm trying to make sure we don't get run over on the side. Because crossing the road here is kind of dangerous.
Behind me is what we were talking about just a second ago. So it's remarkable. They get to sit in the shade while their babies are out being pimped out, carrying their infant children with cash.
Sorry, I know that's kind of heavy, but we wanted to show you guys the real Sapa, and that's part of what we're gonna do today, because we have a lot of fun stuff to see, but this is also part of the sad stuff to see along with it.
Guys, so we're on our way to Cat Village, and we literally haven't even made it that far because we have to show you this view. Look behind me. So we have made it to Cat Village, and you have to pay 70,000 Vietnamese dong per person to get in, and then there's like a free parking area, and then you can walk everywhere. The moment you park, guys, there are tons of buffalo who are all muddied up because they've put on sunscreen, and he said I could go touch them, so I am. Which one can I touch?
The first one.
This one over here?
No, here.
This one?
Yes.
How do I do? I go
slow? Oh, no.
Careful. Xin chào. How are you, buffalo? Oh my god, that is like creamy.
Probably mud and poop.
Doesn't smell like poop. No.
Alright, looks like I've got some friends walking with me, huh? What's going on, guys? Hey. Nope. I don't think I'm brave enough to touch them. I'll walk with them though.
I want one of these outfits. I'm gonna go see how much they are. Be right back. Chime! Bao nhiêu tiền? Oh, it's a million something. Nope.
Come on.
Come on.
So we made it to the viewpoint in the Cat Village, and it's really nice, kind of rickety when you walk up some of the steps, but once you're up here you get a really like pretty view of the valley, and you can see like a little waterfall that's rushing. It's really nice. It's thankfully today it's pretty like sunny then overcast, and it's still clear skies, but I would definitely recommend wearing like a lot of sunscreen or even a long sleeve. We were talking about like how we see it, if we see the next long sleeve that's cheap, we're just gonna pick it up.
Fine. Ciao, ciao. We're walking down the steps and it's really pretty. There's tons of artisanal like crafts and like dresses for you to wear. It's been pretty funny because we've seen so many people who've spent the 40 or so bucks to get the outfit, and they're like taking Insta pics all through here. And it's like, you guys are definitely more dedicated than I am. So we didn't exactly realize when we came to Cat Village that it was gonna be so much shopping. I had read online about how Sapa had become kind of like over touristy, and I can totally see why. And actually, the prices for some of these things are absurd. Yeah. So if you're coming and buying souvenirs, maybe don't buy them here, head back to Hanoi and get them. You can get a lot of the same handicrafts for like a quarter of the price.
Yeah. And that's actually not an exaggeration, literally almost a quarter of the price.
Yeah. I guess you can negotiate, but it's almost a little stressful today.
Yeah. But all right, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up here because I think right now it's just literally the walk back to the motorbike, and then not quite sure where we're going after.
Hopefully showing you a waterfall.
Yeah, fingers crossed on that one.
So we're not going back to the scooters just yet because Annette needs to go jump into this waterfall right quick. Be right back. So we've made it to the waterfall section. You actually have to follow the stairs all the way down. You're gonna feel like you're going the wrong way, but when you hear the gushing water, you're close. And then you get to just see this gorgeousness.
So we were gonna keep going, but then it started raining, and like massive rain droplets. So we're gonna stop here for a minute. It looks like we're gonna get a coffee. And that rain, friends, is what we avoided. But literally after like 5-10 minutes of that, it looks like the sun's coming back out. So hopefully we'll be able to keep going soonish. She said she was gonna go buy an outfit, and then she just popped up here. All right, it has thankfully stopped raining, and we're gonna keep on going. I think there's a lot more to explore here. You gotta like go down the path more, and it's supposed to loop back around, and I think we just hit the bottom of it. So once we go up that way, we'll work our way back up to the scooter, and then keep exploring on the motorbikes, which is literally my favorite part. I'm really sad that I don't have my motorcycle here. But the fact that I can say my motorcycle, I'm gonna have to take a picture and put it in here. I'm gonna put a picture of her, because she's beautiful. She's an Aspero. It's really cool. As you're going up the stairs to exit, they literally have what's called the Eternal Garden, and it's nothing but these like really skinny, beautiful, like pinkish purple flowers, and you can walk through. Be careful because it is a little slippery. It also could have been just because it rained, but the humidity is hit and the flowers are beautiful. It's an interesting mix, but we'll take it.
If you guys are planning on coming to Cat Village, a few things. Wear sunscreen or long sleeves. The weather's unpredictable, so bring a rain jacket. It rained while we were here. Also, be prepared to hike, so bring water, because there's a lot. And you get really epic mountain views like Fanzipan back there, which is the rooftop of Indochina, and it's 3,100 meters tall. Are we in the right place?
Yep.
Awesome.
Oh, that's legit. Look at that.
I'm going.
The little spine coming down.
Yeah, that's the cable car?
No, that's a waterfall.
Oh, that's epic.
So we were actually gonna keep going throughout Sapa, but it was so hot that we decided to come back and like refresh, take a shower, take a quick like 30-minute nap, and as soon as we got inside, literally the monsoon rain just happened. And as you can see, it's still pretty overcast because it's still actually raining currently, But the last thing we were gonna do today was go to the cable car, which is something you wanna do only really on a clear day, because if it is overcast or kind of foggy, or the clouds have really kind of taken over the mountain, you're not really gonna be able to see much, and the cable car is expensive. It was 200,000 VND just to get to the cable car, because you have to take like a little train, and then it's 700,000 VND. So the whole experience roughly comes out to about 40 US dollars for a very short ride. It does hold a Guinness World Record for I don't know what. I'm gonna put that right here. But for us, it just wasn't worth paying the $80 for the two of us to go do it. And it's raining, so we're gonna end up skipping out. But right now, honestly, that's about all there is to do in Sapa. Sapa doesn't have necessarily much to do within the town. They do have like the center of the town, which we showed you guys yesterday. They have everything that we did this morning, but primarily they have trekking. So a lot of people come here, since this is the tallest mountain in Vietnam, they come here to do like 3-4 day hikes. And that's something that we really weren't prepared for. We had understood that some hiking was involved here, but we didn't realize that hiking was the primary focus. So if you guys are planning a Sapa day trip, it's perfect to just come here, stay one night, explore the day you get here, explore the morning before you leave, and then head on out. If you're looking to get into hiking, there's some really cool trails to do. There's some really epic bridges, but we're just kind of not into that scene at the moment. And that's about it, guys. So thank you so much for coming along with us for 24 hours in Sapa. Sorry that it ended up so overcast and rainy. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button. Sorry, that guy honked because he was going down the opposite direction in a one-way. Anyways, hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you give this video a like. Leave us a comment down below, and we'll catch you guys on our next adventure. See ya!